He is one. All of Jose Lopez came in this morning.
Good afternoon, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your names to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, there is no talking, eating, drinking, gum chewing, walking around, or smoking of any kind, and please remain properly dressed at all times. Thank you. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
All right, good afternoon. What you went to change your look up after the lunch break, Miss Williams Mall? You're on mute. You don't have to answer that. You don't even have to go there with my nonsense. It looking good though, as always. Let's call this. This is the City of Detroit versus Clarissa Medina Largent, case number.
Yes, Your Honor.
SP 1223335, counts 1 and counts 2. Can you put your appearance on the record, Counselor?
Rita White on behalf of Miss Clarissa Largent. Please state your name for the record, Miss Largent.
Clarissa Largent.
All right. You have that documentation now? Did you hear me?
No, I'm sorry.
Do you have that documentation?
Yes, I do.
All right.
I have both the insurance and the registration that I updated.
All right, read it off to me. What is that insurance on the 2009 Dodge?
That's correct.
All right, when is the due date? When is the expiration date on the insurance?
March 10th, 2022.
All right, and then what about what is the expiration date on the plates?
July 10th, 2022.
I would ask for the VIN number, but that is not. Well, what is the last four of the VIN?
8493.
All right, I'm going to dismiss provided valid documentation.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank
Have
you.
a great day, ma'am.
Your
Thank
Honor,
you.
you threw me with your joke. Didn't get the case number. Can you just repeat the case number in this case?
Yeah, this is City of Detroit versus Clarissa Medina Largent. Case number is SP 1223335, count 1 and counts 2.
You know, I just wanted to make sure she was formally arraigned, waveform reading set aside.
Go ahead.
Yes, I'm asking that she be her waveform reading and set aside the warrant if there are any warrants and move forward.
All right, we'll recall any warrants. We'll get your not guilty plea on their behalf, and then I will dismiss based on providing valid documentation.
Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. This is Attorney Crystal Child. She's new to her office.
Hey,
Judge Sean Perkins, Officer Peoples, and I forgot her name.
Okay, I'm Court Clerk Brandy.
Court Brandy.
Brandy? Brandy, yes, with the Y.
Peoples.
You know what? I did not know that you guys can be nasty.
I don't need to hear it, Ms. Lopez.
I'm sorry. I was talking to the lady at the drive-thru. I'm sorry.
How you
I'm so
doing?
sorry.
You might not want to talk like that. You get some food at the drive-thru.
I was trying to get my sugar on up and things like that. And look what they gave me, Your Honor.
What they do?
Some messed up bread, ate up bread with teeth
Oh,
on it.
man.
Yes. This is at
Yeah.
Burger King in Plymouth. Yes, Your Honor. Sorry about that.
I don't see you here today, Ms. Lopez, but we're gonna see.
Yes,
All right,
I know.
Counselor.
Oh,
Congratulations, Counselor.
thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well. All right. Ms. Lopez, I'm gonna need you to pull over when you get that food together, but you better watch what you say in that, you better watch what you say in that drive-through window. You never know.
No, I didn't know. I ain't say nothing bad. I just don't want that. I don't want that.
I wouldn't either. All right, let's call the case. Let's call the case of Darius Oliver. This is City of Detroit versus Darius Oliver, case number SP 121-73251. Appearance for the record, please.
Darius Oliver here.
Mr. Simon, you gotta unmute yourself.
Jonathan Simon, P35596, on behalf of Mr. Oliver. Your Honor, Mr. Oliver would stand mute, wait formal reading of the citation.
All right, is he gonna get a driver's license? What is he gonna do?
I'm working on that. Judge, were there any civil infractions arising out of the same transaction or occurrence?
Let's see what he has going on here. All I see is one misdemeanor, driving while license suspended.
Yeah, I thought that was a little unusual. Normally, there's a civil infraction or two attached to it for generating the pullover, but okay.
I would definitely agree with you. You have a point there, but I'm sure you know exactly what to do with something like this.
Yes, sir.
His license is suspended. I can set a pretrial date. I can give him opportunity to go get a driver's license, and then we can come back and deal with the ticket. I can set it for trial, or I can give him a
Yes,
deal
sir.
right.
Well, what can we do right now?
The typical offer for this is failure to display a valid driver's license and $240 fine. That's a misdemeanor that will be abstractable to the Secretary of State, however, it won't carry any points.
Mr. Oliver, we could do that, or we could set it for trial.
Trial.
It's not holding his license up. So if you come back on another date, if he gets a driver's license, we'll consider closing it out.
Why don't we do that?
April the 4th, pre-trial. I'm sorry, April 1st, 2022, pre-trial at 8:30 a.m.
Okay, April Fool's Day, 8:30, gotcha.
That's my brother's birthday too.
Odds the April Fool?
Yep, and I don't know if you remember Dave Melton, his birthday is that day too. He worked in our office before. Get driver's license, sir.
Trying my best right now, Your Honor.
You say what?
I said I know a
I'm
David
doing my
Perkins.
best right now.
Yeah, all right. Well, I know a David Perkins too.
Yeah, he used to be on that bench.
Yes, he did. Now he's
a probate. Now he's a probate judge.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, April 1st, 2022 at 8:30 a.m.
Thank you, Judge. We'll see you then. All
Have a good
right.
one.
Take care. All right, Mr. Oliver, we're done.
All right, Ms. Lopez, did you get that food taken care of?
No, I'm right here at the drive-thru.
All right, let me see here. What's your date of birth?
July 10, 1969.
Are not supposed to be here till next month, Ms. Lopez.
I have another ticket, sir. Your Honor.
You keep on getting tickets?
No, that were the only 2 tickets that I got. Remember, you said, and I had a warrant, and you said you wanted it to look into the warrant first before the other 2 tickets. That was it. Because I got 2 tickets and the warrant was not taken care of. But now everything is being taken care of except for this other ticket. That's an old ticket. I got 2 tickets. I first got the warrant, then I had 2 tickets. One that I got, that I'm doing community work, and now this other one, but they both old.
I did a name check, and I don't see any warrants.
No, it's no warrants. I see 2 tickets that are old. What I want to do. Look here, let's do this.
And for your information, I wrote this, and I appreciate that. I shake machine is down because you looking for a problem. Please don't do that. You come there every day. Don't do that. I see you every day. Yep, Your Honor. Oh, and I still got about like 7 hours on my community, and she gave me a credit. I don't know what she did on this paper right here.
Here's what we're gonna
She
do.
put 37, and I actually did nothing but 30.
Well,
I really like them. I really like them. I enjoy my new friends. And at the church, I really enjoy being there. And I told them that I will do some more volunteer after everything is over with. And they're happy about it.
All right, that's very good. That's the whole purpose of getting you to those places and being able to align yourself with people that, that could use your help. You help yourself by aligning yourself with good people and everybody, and you help yourself by getting the stuff put behind you. So what I'm gonna do here, we're gonna get you a driver's license. Let's call it a case. This is the city of Detroit versus Nancy Lopez. Case number C5480121. 18-525-3072. 18-525-3073. 18-525-3061. Appearance for the record, please.
Rita White on behalf of Miss Nancy Lopez.
All right. Miss Lopez and I go back a little ways, Miss White. And Miss Lopez had come in here and we made some agreements. Miss Lopez made some promises. And as far as I see now, she's indicating what she indicated to us off the record. She indicated that she has done community service. She's enjoying herself. I'm sure she's doing a very good job at helping out people that couldn't necessarily help themselves. And despite her situation, she's going out and still helping people. I mean, we can all use some help, right? There's no question about that. But Ms. Lopez, despite her situation, she's still going out, and I like the encouraging attitude that she's come in here with. I hate she got her food messed up in the drive-thru, but I'm sure she's gonna get that straightened out. I just don't want her to, I'm not gonna say nothing about that. Ms. Lopez, just keep cool about it and then let them fix it, all right? But anyway, I'm gonna waive the reinstatement fee for C5480121. I'm going to waive the reinstatement fee for 85253061. I'm going to waive the late and reinstatement fee for 18-525-307 counts 2 and counts 3. I'm gonna put a pay by date, March the 7th. That's your next court date anyway, 2022. We'll set it for a review so it doesn't go in the default again. All you need to do is show up on that date. You said I ordered you to do some community service. I'm sure that the fines and costs will probably be covered under the community service that I set for you to do. But with these things today, I don't see where, at least from the 36th District Court standpoint, or you'll have any other problem. You'll get clearances after today. Because I got 1, 2, 3, 4 reinstatement fees. The other cases are pending. Let me see if there's a reinstatement fee on that. Yes, the other cases are pending. So with that being said, Ms. Lopez, I'll see you back on March the 7th, 2022 at 8:30 for a review, okay?
Thank you.
If you don't have any other things outstanding in any other jurisdictions, I would wait about 48 to 72 hours for those clearances to go through. I didn't miss. And you should be able to get a driver's license if you don't have anything else out there.
I have my driver's license.
All right, very good then. All right, I'll see you back on March 7th, Ms. Lopez. Good to see you.
Thank you. Nice to see you. Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye. Stephen Scott, I don't think you're in the right courtroom. But let me check. What's your middle name, sir?
Lante.
Is that STEVEN-SCOTT, right?
Yeah.
Do you have a ticket number?
Yeah.
All right, hold on a second. What's that ticket number?
1211948
9482.
Yeah.
Okay, there you are. This is Osley Scott.
Yeah.
All right. It's the city of Detroit versus Stephen Osley Scott. Case numbers SP 1211948, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Rita White on behalf of Mr. Scott.
All right. Well, you could have just said, well, why didn't you help me out, Ms. White, and just said, can you state your name for the record, Mr. Scott?
You say your name for the record, Mr. Scott. Scott, your full name.
Stephen Osley hyphen.
Say that again.
Stephen Osley hyphen Scott.
Okay. Yeah, it's on the last page. On the
Yeah, I see it
bottom.
now.
All right, we have this is the day and time set for an arraignment. I'll let you go ahead.
Yes, waive formal reading, stand mute for arraignment purposes, enter a plea of not guilty, please.
You're welcome.
All right, now. All right, let's also call case number. No, strike that. That's it. I don't have an offer. I have a no insurance. Do you have a driver's license, sir?
Not on me.
Is it good though?
Yeah, it's good.
Then let's run his driver's license. Osley Scott. You want this?
Thanks.
All right, so do you have registration and insurance for this 2004 Pontiac?
Yeah.
All right, pull it up.
One moment.
Mr. Slappy, you back in here?
Yes, yes. This is Eric Good. I was calling. I went back in here because the clerk never. I've been going to Secretary of State for the last 2-3 days, and they said it's not off the computer yet.
Yeah, because, first of all, I don't know if it got entered into there. I'm sure it did by now. We had an issue with, that situation last week. But if it is, I'm gonna look it up. If it is entered into, you're still gonna have to wait. It's supposed to be immediate, but it still takes like 48 to 72 hours anyway. So
Okay, because I've been to Secretary of State twice. I was there today too, and they said it's still not on.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Osley Scott. Mr. Scott, you don't have a valid driver's license. You don't have any blemishes on your driver's license either, but it says it's expired. So.
No, with no ID.
Pardon me?
I said I would know my ID. That's my old one.
No, I'm talking about a driver's license, not an ID. I'm talking, do you have a driver's license?
No, I ain't have it. I had my man who got expired. Take the
Have
test.
you ever had a driver's license?
No. At the time.
Why can't you go get one?
I am. I was supposed to go do the test, but
bring your client back April 1st, 2022 at 8:30. We'll wait for him reading. We'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll set a pretrial for April 1st, and I'm gonna mark on here going to get driver's license. All right.
All right.
Come back with a driver's license. Come back with proof of insurance and registration. All right.
I got the insurance. It's in my car.
Well, bring it. Just keep it on you.
Okay.
Keep it on you. Make sure you have it available at that time, but make sure from right now you go get a driver's license.
All right.
All right. Have a good day. I'll see you back April 1st at 8:30 a.m.
All right. 8:30 a.m.
Yes.
Okay.
Is that GOODE? Have a good day, sir. Have a good day. I'm sorry.
Okay.
And don't wear that hat in my courtroom next time either. You take your hat off too, Mr. Mr. Good.
All right.
All right. What's the, is it GOODE?
Yes, sir.
And first name?
Eric, ERIC.
What's the middle name?
Dewan, DAWAN.
All right, you still got this this OWI on your record. What was that?
You just threw it out. You just dismissed it.
So that's not been entered into.
Right. You just dismissed that.
Which day were you in court last? I'll look up. He was here
on the 3rd, on the February the 3rd, I think.
On the 4th. No.
The 4th.
On the 4th.
That was Friday.
That was Friday.
I can look into it. Can I get the case number? It should be answered.
No, it was Thursday, wasn't it?
I got here that it's.
I think it was Thursday because I went to Secretary of State Friday and I went to
on the 3rd. You're right. Scheduled for trial on the 3rd. I'll come up our way. Yeah, you most definitely don't have to get that cleared up. That was the case.
You threw that case out. That was
Latch's case. That was Latch's case. And it was,
that was what?
That was Officer Ronald Latch's case, and that was dismissed. Miss Williams Law.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is it possible that we go look that up?
I'm sorry, what?
It's January, February 3rd. at 8:30, Mr. Eric Good, and his middle name is Dawand, Dawand, and Good is Goode. That's case number 05360711. That was a 2008 case.
Yep.
She's gonna take care.
Then you dismissed it. You said because it was a state something, and you was like,
Yeah, the state prosecutor never showed up.
right.
For the third, which one, Your Honor?
This is, what did you say now? The
What date?
third. It's February 3rd.
Is this, I'm sorry, guys, this is Jason Good.
No, it's on the trial date at 9 o'clock, so it should be Eric Good.
Oh, Eric. Okay, then one ticket.
Yep. A 053607.
What I can do, I don't know when you want me to do it. I got his file with ticket maybe over child services. I don't know who the clerk in that day. They're not
What
here.
day is the 3rd?
Last Thursday.
Oh, nobody was here. Nobody was here.
Nope.
I just know,
You write on that and then I'll take care of the entry. Make sure that you just put in.
Okay. Say that again, Miss.
my notes do show dismissed 2008 case. That's what my notes show without me listening to any audio.
Yeah, I remember. Officer appeared, case
Yes,
dismissed.
Officer Lack.
He's gonna pay the $45 reinstatement fee.
Okay, give me a case number.
Officer Latch did appear,
Yes,
and the state did not put, we're gonna put that in now, sir.
Okay. So where do I pay that? Do I pay that just to Secretary of State?
No, you pay that here.
Okay.
So what I suggest is, we're gonna close this matter out. I don't know. We're gonna close this matter out. You're gonna owe a reinstatement fee of $45. It reads on there now pending $45. It won't
Yes.
take that $5 payment from you. When you see it close $45, which is gonna be really in an instant,
It's something that
you should go right now to the to the DivDav kiosk. You can pay it at the DivDav kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you can pay it on, don't pay it online, pay it at the DivDav kiosk, or come down here to the courthouse and pay it.
Pay it right there at 36th District? Where's the
Pay it at
DivDav
36th
kiosk at?
district. The DivDav kiosk is at Myers and CVS's all over
Okay.
the city. So
Okay.
if you got in your neighborhood, you might want to stop in there first before you come down here. I think it's a blue kiosk. It says DivDav kiosk, city of Detroit. You can pay
Okay.
that. I'm gonna dismiss the case, when we've already made a record of this. You want to put it on the record again?
you
Or you
have
don't
to.
care about that?
No, I mean, it's not gonna kill, but it's already on the record. You don't
It's
have to-
already on
you
the
don't have to
record.
Put it on the record.
And that officer did appear, and then no state prosecutor appeared. And it's a 2008 ticket, I imagine,
Okay, so you just
Yeah.
dismiss.
and he's paying the reinstatement.
So I can go pay, I can pay that right now.
Just waive the reinstatement fee. We'll just waive the reinstatement fee.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Judge.
Will that be reported to Secretary of State? Because I just don't want the Secretary of State to, because it has to go to the Secretary of State to be able to.
Once
for
we
them.
waive it, it's gonna get the clearance automatically.
Okay, okay.
Your Honor, do you
Yeah.
want to put that on the record since that was not on the record? The way,
Put that part on the record, 'cause that part
The
is-
city of Detroit, this is the state of Michigan versus Eric Good, case number, and that's case number 053607, counts 1 and strike that, 05360711. Put your appearance on the record, Ms. White.
Rita White on behalf of, please state your name for the record, sir.
Eric Dwan Good.
All right, this is, and that's, spell it for the court reporter.
Say it again.
Spell your name for the court reporter.
ERIC. Eric Dwan, DAWAND. Good, GOODE.
All right, this is the case from, February 3rd, 2022. It was set for trial on that day. I did have Officer Latch appear And I did have, Mr. Good appear on that date. That case on that date was dismissed. There was no state prosecutor. I don't know what the recollection of the officer was, but in any event, there was no prosecutor on that date. This case goes back to 2008. For the record, I dismissed it. I'm gonna just put the entry in now. I apologize, Mr. Good, for that. We were in a flux last week, and I told you that, but I thought it would have been entered into by now. So I'm gonna waive the reinstatement fee and put the dismissal in right now.
Thank you,
So
Judge.
you
I appreciate
shouldn't
it.
have to do anything else. Wait 72 to 48 hours, or 48 to 72 hours, or you could try tomorrow. But what we've been finding is it takes about 2 or 3 days for them to get that reinstatement fee.
I set another appointment for Thursday already.
All right, so you should be good, and I'm watching, Madam Clerk, enter that information in right now as we speak.
I appreciate you. Thank you very much.
All right, have a great day, sir.
You too.
Sorry for
Thank
the
you, sir. No
Make
problem.
sure you,
Thank you.
well, again, the lecture about voting, make sure you get out there and make sure your vote is heard.
Yep, I heard you. I will do.
All right, very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I took the fees out, sir, and put per your request to waive the reinstatement fee. So the case is closed. Zero balance, I'll show you right there.
There it is. You're all good, sir.
All right. Thank you, sir.
All right, have a good one.
You too.
All right, that seems like it'll do it.
I just made all the entries back there to the third, everything was on record.
That's fine. All right, Ms. White, I
Yes.
appreciate you being here as always, and you as well, Ms. Williams Law, and thanks a lot for coming in and helping us out too.
Oh, you're welcome, sir.
All right, is there's nothing further?